welcome back to this channel. And the channel you're watching is Wrestling Rewind Figure Reviews. And what we do is we review figures from past wrestlers. I don't want to say from the past. I'm not opening up Hasbro stuff or anything like that. I'm just opening up figures, wrestling figures, or wrestling wrestlers from the Ruthless Aggression era backwards, reverse, rewind, in the past, previously to the Ruthless Aggression era, and including the Ruthless Aggression era. So that's why the name of this channel is Wrestling Rewind Figure Reviews. Hopefully that makes sense. Today we're brought to you by this longhorn thing in the sunset, and then it fades down in color, stuff like that. That's what we're brought to you by today. And we are going to unbox a different kind of figure. We're not going to unbox a elite figure or ultimate figure, an elite figure or an ultimate figure. We're going to do a Masters of the Universe Goldberg. And this is Youngberg, actually, not Goldberg or Oldberg. This is Youngberg. This is him in his black and white trunks from his, I'm guessing, when he moved over to WWE. It looks as if he speared this box because it's bent in half. And that's what happens when he spears things or spears people, is they bend in half. And so this box right here is bent in half. And again, you know me, we like to open up destroyed boxes. Why? Because we open them up. And so why open up a nice, really, really nice figure when we can open up one that's destroyed? So that's what we're going to do. Again, this is Masters of the Universe Goldberg. He is the heroic human jackhammer. And as always, highly articulated for power posing. So that's cool. On the back, we do have Goldberg and the other ones that were in this set. Kane, we have him. Ultimate Warrior, we have him. Stephanie McMahon, we have him. We have this entire set now. So that's cool. What does it say? It says many superstars of WWE tourney have tried to take down the hero they call Goldberg, but all have fallen. There's only one question for future challengers. Who's next? I mean, that's what Goldberg says. Who's next? And so that's why they put it on here. So let's get Goldberg out of this box and see what he's all about. Here he is. This is Goldberg, and he comes with the shoulder pads that were on him. And if you can see him there, he comes with his helmet too. And then this helmet just goes on his head, and it protects him from damage in the WWE Turnia universe, so he doesn't get hurt. And that's usually what armor does. I think we all know that. You put stuff on, kind of like a football player. You put protecting things over you, like these shoulder pad kind of things. And it should, for the most part, protect you from injury. So, yeah. And then he does come with this axe right here. Yeah. It's not a sledgehammer or jackknife, powerbomb, hammer, jackhammer, powerbomb slam thing. It's just like an axe, so yeah. He does have the traditional Goldberg logo on the back of his booty. There it is. It's Goldberg. And yeah, so that's really all there is to the figure. It does, as usual, come with the comic book. And Goldberg is just spearing the absolute daylights out of the Ultimate Warrior. Let's see what it says in here. There you go. You can see it. I know some people wanted me to read these, so let's see if they fixed the typos and the grammatical errors they had. Let's see. Another superstar falls to the champ. The only question is, who's next? Goldberg, you're up. Goldberg, 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 Goldberg. I mean, it's just ridiculous. All right, he says. Goldberg, Goldberg. And then he hammers a bunch of people with his stuff, and then he's asking, as he's hammering, who's next? So basically what this comic says is Goldberg, and then who's next. Yeah. Pretty neat comic. Anyway, let's get Goldberg up on the Masters of the Universe shelf, see what it looks like next to the other dudes.
And there he is. He's hanging out with all the other people from the Masters of the Universe, from Austin to Warrior to Jake to Ricky to Macho to John to Triple H to Sergeant to Stephanie to him to The Rock to Hot Rod to Ray to another Macho to Kane. Those are the ones that we have. And yeah, so he's hanging out. Excuse me. We are getting close to that 800 subscriber giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed and you like what you're seeing, check out the video or the short for what's available. A bunch of mint on card stuff for that 800 subscriber giveaway. You'll be able to pick one if you win. Once we get to 800, and you'll see the post on what you need to do to enter. And hopefully we'll see the rest of you guys on the next video. Masters of the Universe, Goldberg. Out.